Hi everyone, I'm back with another book unboxing. Now, this book is very important for those who want to improve their vocabulary. So, without further ado, let's get into the book. And I'm going to unbox the Flipkart parcel as always. And it has become my habit. So I'm a pretty pro book unboxer. So here is the book, Word Power Made Easy. So before I get into the book in detail, let me ask you some questions. Do you always use the right word? Can you pronounce it and spell it correctly? Do you know how to avoid improper expressions? Do you speak grammatically without embarrassing mistakes? If your answer to any of these questions is no, you need this book, Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. This is the Bible of vocabulary. If you are suffering from lack of vocabularies, if you don't know how to use vocabularies in sentences, a lot of us don't know usually because we are not native speakers, we are from India, so we make a lot of mistakes when it comes to speaking in English, writing in English. So Word Power Made Easy is a solution. Let me uncover and tear this thin paper, nicely packed by the way. This book cost me 90 rupees excluding the delivery charge, and I didn't have to pay the delivery charge because I'm a Flipkart Plus customer. The quality of the book is amazing and the company is Penguin, and if you have used Penguin's books then you can understand that, and you have the experience. Okay, the quality of the book is incredible, and let me show you the last page number 526. It's the last page number. And guys, I will make some other videos regarding how to read this book, because this book needs a different kind of approach to read, because it's not that kind of book which you can pick up and simply start reading. It needs step-by-step process to master the vocabularies. That's it for now, and take care. Bye.